Hello everyone! Last time I was speaking about this wood furnace and how I don't really like it because the glass is getting dirty quite easily, and so before I do any heavy modifications to the furnace itself, I wanted to check obvious things like the wood. So the thing is, how do you measure wood moisture content at home, and ideally precisely? So it turns out that this is pretty easy actually. I've got some vacuum bags and I basically weigh the wood on the scales, and I wrote its mass here, then put it in the bag, fill it with desiccant and then vacuum seal it. Alright, so this is an empty bag that I will put desiccant in. I don't feel really great about putting used desiccant back into the bag, but it will be fine. Now this wood is packed also in the tissue, so I prevent cross-contaminating it with desiccant. Alright, here's the first piece of wood. This is 42 grams and previously it was 51.4. Let me get some calculator, I guess. And this is the softwood which I am burning now, and it is not noticeable that it isn't quite dry as it could be. Now let's have a look at the hardwood. So the hardwood, this is 53.4 and this is 44.4. This was after a week, so almost 19% calculated from the weight of the wood before desiccating it. I mean, there could be probably like 1% of moisture still, because I never burned completely dry wood. I wonder how it burns. Oh yeah, it burns very, very, very well. This is insane that it burns so well. That's neat. How about hardwood? Yeah, it's a little bit more resilient, but you wouldn't be able to do this with wet wood probably. How old am I? Yeah, it's pretty insane.